Aneesha, I'm a makeup artist from Bombay, and here I am with the Wedding Brigade bringing you a super easy makeup tutorial on this amazing Sangeet night sweat-proof makeup look. So make sure you stay tuned to see how to create this look, and also watch till the very end because we have a really special giveaway just for you guys. So I'm going to start off with my base. I'm going to first use a primer because we want to make sure our makeup stays completely sweat-proof. I'm going to use a mattifying primer. This is the Color Bar Perfect Match Primer. So I'm just going to take a small, like pea-sized amount and put it on the centers of my face. So in order to get that perfect flawless base that's going to last us the whole night, I'm first going to color correct using an orange color corrector. This is the LA Girl one, Pro Conceal HD in the shade orange. So I'm going to use this under my eyes and around my mouth where I have any kind of pigmentation. Just remember, a little goes a really long way. Now that I'm done with my corrector, I'm going to move on to foundation to kind of even out my entire skin tone. The foundation that I'm using today is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade 310 Sun Beige. This foundation is perfect for the wedding season. Firstly, because it's completely mattifying and it's oil-free, so it's going to make sure it lasts on you all day long. And it's also super full coverage, so you won't need a lot of product. Just make sure you're working in very thin layers and just keep building up as and when you need. Now I'm going to go in with a concealer. This is my favorite concealer. It's the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD in the shade Medium Beige. So I'm going to put the concealer under my eyes to cover my dark circles, around my mouth where I have a little bit of pigmentation, as well as this irritating acne breakout on my forehead. The setting powder that I'm going to use today is the Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Setting Powder in the shade Light Medium. I'm using a big fluffy powder brush and I'm just setting the centers of my face, which is where I would normally start sweating. If you're a dry skin girl like me, then try and use as little powder as possible, but make sure you still set your makeup. I'm going to be using the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette to bronze up my face and bring some warmth into it. I'm going to go in with this shade first. Next up is blush. Do not forget to add that pinkish healthy glow to your cheeks because it makes so much of a difference. The palette that I'm going to be using today is the Makeup Revolution Ultra Blush Palette in the shade Sugar and Spice. This is such a versatile palette, and for this look I'm going to go in with a mix of this pink and peachy color here. I'm now going to use this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette in the shade Nude Awakening. So I'm going to start off with this super light transition shade, and I'm just going to put that into my crease, which is basically the socket of your eye. So you want to make windshield wiper motions as well as small circular motions like this and try and carve out your eye. Next, I'm going to go in with this deep burgundy kind of plum and use that to further define my crease. So like you can see, I'm focusing this color more on the outer corner of my eye and just dragging whatever's left on my brush towards the inner corner. I've taken very little product on my brush, so make sure you're working in very thin layers. I'm going to go in with this dull gold shimmer shadow here, and one of the best ways to apply a shimmer is to use your fingers because the pigment comes out so much better. And I'm just going to place that all over my eyelid. Like you can see, I'm using patting motions and I'm not rubbing my eye. I'm just pressing the product into my eyelid. Now I'm just going to go in with the same brush from before without adding any new product, and I'm just going to soften out the edges so we don't have any harsh lines. Now I'm going to take this matte black eyeshadow on a smaller brush like this, and I'm going to concentrate it on the outer portion of my eyelid just to give it a bit of smokiness because it is a Sangeet night after all. Just be careful when you're working with dark colors like black. Make sure you put very little and don't forget to tap off the excess from your brush before you go in. Just using my finger again to make sure everything is blended out really well. So now it's time for the lower lid. I'm just going to use the same colors that I used on top at the bottom as well. And some of the black. I'm going to use this champagne-y color here just to create a bit of a highlight going on my eye. So first I'm going to put some right under my brow as well as on the inner corner of my eye. Now this step is like a little trick to make your eyes pop. I want to add a hint of eyeliner, so for that I'm going to use the Color Bar Ultimate Eyeliner in the shade Ultimate Black 001. Just a very thin line as close to the lash line as possible. When you're doing this, the easiest way to do this is to make small strokes as if you're playing join the dots. It's time for my favorite step now. It's mascara time. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect Waterproof Mascara. Don't forget, waterproof is your best friend on these nights. So when you're doing your mascara, place your mascara as close to your eyelash root as possible and then wiggle it upwards. Since we've gone quite glam for the eyes, I want to keep the lips as nude as possible. I'm going to be using the NYX Professional Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Cans. I'm going to go in for a very subtle pop of highlight, and I'm going to be using this shade from the NYX palette. And to finish off my makeup and set it in place all night long, I'm going to be using the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray just to spritz my face one last time and make all the makeup melt together. So I'm done with my makeup and I'm going to quickly go and change and come back and show you my full look, which I'm super excited to do. And this is the final result. This is the final look. I hope you guys like it. And I hope you give it a try this wedding season as well. And now for the super interesting part of this, I have teamed up with the Wedding Brigade to give one of you bridesmaids a bridesmaids box. Now this box is going to sort you out for this wedding season. It's going to be full of goodies that's going to help you through your Sangeet night, through your wedding, through everything. So firstly, you're going to get the same makeup that we've used in this video. So you're going to get the NYX lipstick, the Maybelline mascara, as well as the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. You also get some discount coupons from Kaya. We've also got this little hangover kit from Dr. Vaidya's Live It Up. Let's see what's in here. So of course you get the Live It Up hangover pills, which will basically sort you out and make sure you don't have any hangover the night after your hectic Sangeet. You get some band-aids, a couple of granola bars, some mint, some strepsils and some tea bags. I'm also going to give you a pair of really pretty earrings. Check these out. These are so perfect for wedding season, right? And the best part is you can pair it with this super delicate, super pretty Mang Tikka. You get not just one but 6 of these adorable bangles, which is perfect for you and your girl gang. And lastly, we're also giving away this super cute Potli bag, which is so versatile. It's golden in color and goes with any outfit, any function. So this is a handful of things that you all are going to get if you take part in this giveaway. Here are the rules. Rule number 1, subscribe to the Wedding Brigade YouTube channel by clicking on the button below. And also follow my Instagram account, that is Blend by Niche. The link to my account is going to be in the description box. Like this video and leave a comment down below telling us why this amazing box is perfect for you. Don't forget to leave us your Instagram handle as well, because the winner is going to be announced on the Wedding Brigade Instagram account very soon. All your entries are going to be based only on the YouTube comments, not on Instagram. So make sure you take part right now by leaving a comment and subscribing to our channel. That's it. It's super simple. So make sure you take part in this giveaway. And of course, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. I will see you guys next time. Bye.